So this is for those who know. You see, what's coming out of one's mouth is what you or yourself are doing. Speaking a testimony of good or bad on you. Because you know better. You have placed chains and have thrown a lot in jail. But it's metaphorically. You see, mothers that love see a path of destruction and will be willing to allow the other mother to have them because she doesn't want them destroyed. When they realize they can't depend on that mother anymore, they return unto their first love, their first mother. That's how the Father is. So when people come to their first love and speak, they are telling what you are doing them by having them bound. And that is not of the Father. The only way to restore and to make things right is to free them and no longer condemn them. You see, Mother sees all and knows all. Mother is giving a warning before Father arrives. When they speak of you being unfaithful, not of themselves. See, man cannot be separated from the love of the Father. Your second chance right now is through His ultimate creation. And by them allowing you to live in the same world and endure things that is put upon them is a testimony and a witness whether the Father will find you faithful to be restored to your original dominion. You see, you need to restore what was stolen and restore what was lost for the disobedience of the one. You being the one obedient and obeying, you also can receive good praise. There's a lot of duality to things, both good and bad. That's how a tree is known. When you bind a tree and make the tree do things, and they have no power over their own self, that's the testimony against you for binding them and stealing what is not yours but the Father's. They don't know any better, but you do. Mother is commanding restoration in return what has been stolen away. Mother's not willing for you to be destroyed completely and no longer exist.